Um, Hi, my name is Marcus Machava, and I'm a software developer. Basically, I'm more into um, front end and back end software development using C Sharp, .NET framework, ASP.NET, MVC web applications. So um, that allows me to actually not need to actually develop mobile applications, even though I can, just because the MVC web applications that I create are responsive, meaning even if somebody accessed the site using URL from a phone, it still adapts to the size of the screen. And I'm able to do integrations using web REST web APIs. Um, Basically, by that I mean producing a solution whereby it's a three-tier kind of architecture whereby I've got my front end either in Angular or your basic MVC application using Bootstrap, not your materials and those other frameworks. And then the second tier would be your web API, whereby I actually hide my code behind an API. The API basically just does all the data access and authentication of the user that's actually using the system. And then that in turn on the third tier actually communicates with a data source. I usually use Microsoft SQL as a back-end kind of database, but then we can have a variety of data sources, MySQL, Postgres, and all that. I've got a vast number of skills under my head, of which I don't always remember by heart, but then Entity Framework, Ado.NET, Bootstrap, Angular, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, um, Razor, what else? Ado.NET using your database first, SOAP, XML and JSON on my APIs that I create, and what else should be relevant for this? Um, yeah, I think that's about it. It covers a full stack kind of layer of the some of the technologies, and then I've also got cloud experience as well, Azure, and I've also got an MCSD in web applications and MCSA in web applications as well. So I'm basically just a consumer of the Microsoft stack. But then even though I also know some of Google Cloud platform, since I've been testing some authentication from various social media providers. I think that should cover it. Thanks.